Hello friends, welcome to my channel Namrata's Wholesome Mantra. We are exploring temple architecture of Chalukyas of Badami, which they have built around 1400 years ago. We have already seen standing temples at Aihole and Patadkal. Now we have moved to Badami. Badami was their second capital. We have already seen two cave temples which were so nicely carved out of single stones. This is a view of Badami today, which was capital of Chalukya 1400 years back.
Just a second. You travel in India around 150 rock cut temples. So the biggest rock cut temple in India, Ellora.
Ellora, yes.
So my opinion is the one beautiful rock cut temple in India. Just have a look this temple front cut like a cinemascope. They have a good geometry box. Yeah, they have a good compass. You see the upper line is not sea front, not waves. Yeah, one line cutting.
One line cut.
Yeah. So it's an authentic dated this one, 578 AD. Manglesha king was made this one. So they took time 12 years, then they made this one. So it was the prayer temple. We have a proof inside inscription. But now this is a protected monument. Yes, the color of the rock like almond. See the black. The rainy season water
Because the water is coming.
Yeah, that's why it's a black. You know algae. Algae is coming after going dark. Yeah. So this is the one.
Badami caves are under Archaeological Survey of India. As explained by our guide, this is the second largest cave temple in India. The largest one is at Kailasnatha Temple, Ellora. This area was ruled by Kadambas, Vakatakas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara Kingdom, and Sultanate of Vijapur, and Mughals, afterward Tipu Sultan and Marathas. There was no problem, and there was always addition to the temples built by previous dynasty. Only after the invaders started coming in, the destruction started. Let us have a look at this beautiful cave.
Temple 7th century. This is round figure 6th century.
6th
Before Ellora, this one, 100 years different. Ellora Kailasanath rock cut temple, wonder of the world, amazing. Except Ellora, my opinion, this is one beautiful rock cut temple. Then Mr. Vishnu seated on the snake. Normally Vishnu sleeping on the snake. Shesha Shayana, Ananta Shayana, Padmanabha. But first time historian put the name, this is the Maha Vishnu. Then you see the snake body, snake tail, top of the head, snake face. Yeah, so Vishnu seated on the snake. Have a look, the Vishnu holding his wheel and seashell. Then Garuda is here, human body wings. Then this is a Lakshmi. My opinion, this is entire world architecture. This one unique sculpture, more than 11 feet high. I hope this is one very beautiful. Because in India, have a look, almost is a sleeping, but it's a sitting sculpture. Sir, already we saw this is a wild boar, Varaha. It looks like a human body, wild boar face. Then I told it's authentic dated. See, they mentioned here, Bahula Shuddha Purnime Panchashaka Varshena. You count in English calendar. Pancha means 5, Shaka means 100. So, Bahula Shuddha Purnime Panchashaka Varshena means 578 AD they made this one. So now running 1444 years. So this is a Manglesha king was made.
This is a Sila Lake or
Yes,
stone inscription.
Yes.
This is Manglesha king.
Pillar inscription.
Pillar inscription is there at third cave of these Badami temples, and it describes when it was built.
Then have kubera.
Kubera is there on top.
Holding his hand weapon. Right hand, left hand holding the money bag. Just to watch there around black, green, red. Then have
painting.
this beam. This is painted 1400 years. Yes, come with me. Stand here like this. And all continue like this. So this is the god of heaven.
Indra.
This is travel elephant right now.
Indra is on the ceiling of this third cave.
Just walk around, watch around the Indra. All Apsaras.
Okay.
Rambai, Urvasi, Menake, Tilottame,
all apsaras of Indra, Swargalok there.
Then I look yesterday you find I will look at it. You know this lady is not proper standing because she is drunken lady.
Drunken lady. Yes.
Yeah.
This lady, under the influence of alcohol, is off balance. Male is supporting her. Look at her feet. She is about to fall off. And this one, what is this?
Daparnsundari.
Darpana.
Holding left hand mirror, right hand making hairstyle.
Okay.
The left hand is the mirror.
Okay, you can see the mirror there. And one hand is mirror, other hand is she is looking inside the mirror and making the hair.
Yes.
And there is her guardian maybe.
Yes, yes. Then there is a couples.
So there is also happy couple. Happy couple.
That is Ashtabuja Vishnu.
That one.
Yeah. Come this side.
Oh.
Have a look. That is Ashtabuja Vishnu. Virata Vishnu. See, standing like a warrior.
Yes.
But you know, he holding in his hand all weapons, but the sword was broken there. Virata Purusha.
Yes, half sword is broken in one hand. He is a Virata Purusha Vishnu, 8-handed. And all the 8 hands, he has some weapons.
Ceiling is painted.
This is all painted. You can see paint is still visible on top.
Yes. Then have a look this. Ardhanarishwar.
Ardhanarishwara is there on the
Parvati Hapsi.
pillar side.
Yes.
Design of the pillars.
Couple of this is Ardhanarishwar. Yeah.
Ardhanarishwara.
Come with me. Stand here. This is Shilabalika.
Here is an interesting carving of a beautiful lady. She is doing makeup. The side, it is looking like a monkey, and from front, it looks like a boy. What are they trying to tell us? They are trying to tell us that when and see the beautiful lady, he start acting like a monkey. Try to understand this deep meaning they have given by carving out this monkey with beautiful lady. Monkey.
Have a look this couple. This lady have a sari. Where is the sari? It's a Konkan, Ratnagiri. There is the holy religious.
Okay.
They used to work those days. Sari.
This statue of woman and a man, the woman is wearing Konkani style, Koli style sari,
Yeah.
and see the ornaments.
Then have a look this couple. This lady have a transparent sari.
Okay.
1400 years ago, this type of saris.
Uh,
See some transparent, some lighting flowers on the saris. Yeah.
this sari was transparent like.
Yes. Now have a look the properly paint. Yeah. See,
You
the
can
black marking department put it.
There is a painting here. Some painting paint remains.
Yes.
And this is a metallic
Mythological animals.
mythological animal on top,
Yeah.
joining this front and this pillar.
Come with me. Shiva and Parvati. No, turn. Yeah, look much better. See now. So Shiva.
Shiva Parvati on the top of the ceiling. But this is a Hindu mix of Vishnu and Shankara both. Huh? Here, this cave.
Yes. Yeah. Like in first king. Harihara Visa, Shiva and Vishnu Visa.
Here also some two figures are there.
Yeah, this is just Shilabalika. There is no big meaning. The assistant in the bottom. Then come this side is better. Now you see the ceiling, the Vishnu, the two goddess.
Vishnu with two goddess,
Lakshmi and Bhudevi.
Lakshmi and Bhudevi.
Looks like a human.
This is Garuda at center. Both the side angels are flying in the air, and there are romantic couples both the side. Simply unbelievable carvings and motifs.
Yeah, the rich couples.
See what all things they are wearing as a jewelry. This is a rich couple. And this is the animal joining the front and this pillar. This side also.
Have you noticed couples?
This erotic couple is looking at each other lovingly, and other animals and angels look at them. This is also couple.
This is a couple. It's a less jewelry. So it's a poor couples.
Here you see no much jewelry is worn by this couple, so they are trying to show poor family. But they are all considered to be equal, so both are statue are there. This side it is broken.
Come with me. I look at the bramaha. You see, sometimes occasionally some mosque culture like
This is the Brahma on top.
1 minute we stand here. Now look up front. We are in the king corridor.
This is called King Corridor of this third cave. You look both the side pillars. You can see highly decorative pillars are inside, and they are of different shape and design. So it is look like palace pillars. One type of
Inside pillar looks like a palace pillar.
palace. Okay.
See, the inside pillar looks like a painted. It's not painting. It's a natural formation of the rock.
Okay.
So now this is a king corridor.
Okay.
So my opinion, except Ellora Kailasanatha, this is a one beautiful rock cut temple in India.
Correct.
Look this couples. This is the zero. This is very slim, zero size. Zero.
That time also they were health conscious,
Sense of beauty.
and you can see this couple both are zero size. Few years back, actress Kareena Kapoor was famous for this zero size figure, but now we don't know what she has become. Look at the bangles and anklets.
Just have a look this. This couple, the bed dress is about.
Okay. See the dresses of this. It is a Bermuda.
No, come my behind is Narshima.
Narshima.
Lakshmi Yoga Narshima from Hampi. But this is a Vijaya Narshima, victorious lion, occasionally standing. So human body, lion face, laughing face. Then right hand side is Garuda, Prahlada. Left hand side is Garuda. See the Garuda is the wings. The Garuda wing. Sir, that is gentle couples. That is big one is Trivikrama.
Couples.
Yeah, I told the story in the last day. So killing the Mahabali.
Okay.
So this is, but we can't see the Lilliput coming. Who are coming, Vishnu. Then just the bottom of the leg, umbrella remaining. Then you see the one hairstyle like a Buddha. He holding in his hand Kamandala. It's a Shukracharya, the demon teacher. The center is a demon, Mahabali king. Then Mahabali behind is there is a Vindhyavali, his wife. Then this 11 feet height big statue. Then again Mahabali warrior requesting, don't kill my father, don't kill my king. The meaning of this. One very fantastic, very beautiful.
You can see Sudarsana.
Behind.
Sword is there now.
Yes, the bow.
Bow is there.
All weapons like a warrior.
Warrior. Okay. This is a Vamana Avatar. Correct. Vamana Avatar.
Wamana God, yes, Wamana Avatar. It's a Wamana.
Once Mahabali agrees to give him 3 feet of land, Lord Vishnu convert himself into giant Trivikrama. And thanks for watching my videos. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon of my YouTube channel Namrata's Wholesome Mantra. We will move on to cave number 4. There is some more things to explore at Badami. After that, we will be going around in Karnataka exploring the Hoysala temples. Thanks once more for the support.